My music, the choices of just this particular show, ABC means my chosen singers, composers. Kasi 1.5 to 2 hours lang naman this show, diba? So, ABC pala, which is the basic of what I love from other singers, from the people who have given me their compositions to record, my hits na ABC.
So who's the A?
Ang dami.
Adele.
Adele will be singing songs from Adele. And then for
B.
Azarcon, who composed a lot of my songs, I Think I'm in Love.
I love that.
Also, One More Try. Ano pa ba? Hello, marami pa. So, B naman, we're doing some Barbra Streisand songs. I've not sang a lot of Barbra Streisand songs recently, so that's my past. And so, because it's my basic, that's the artist that I really looked up to when I was just starting. And then C, marami rin. Canseco, Kayabya, marami pa. Secret na.
Thank you po.
Congratulations to your new... I'm here po. Ako po. Sorry. Alan.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, tanong ko lang po. Kumbaga sa dami ng concert ninyo, how do we compare po itong concert na to? Aside dun sa venue, because ang dami naman pong venue na pinagkantahan niyo na po. What do we expect pa dito sa concert na gagawin ninyo dito sa Winford?
As I said, we are also experimenting with other artists, no? So, for this show, ano muna, yung mga ABC muna na hindi pa rin namin nakakanta. Sorry ha.
Na-jack and pay pa.
He'll take it. Alright, so the genres I'm going to be singing is actually going to be old and ballad songs, like from Michael Bublé, and the other one's going to be from Andy Williams. And we're going to do some surprise duets, but I don't know if I can address the songs, so you guys have to watch out for August 3rd.
David, yeah.
Yes, we'll probably leave the diva to do her own songs because she's the only one who can do them justice. And we'll just stick to our own thing and just crooning, ballads, just expect those kinds of songs. Beautiful, beautiful songs, and I'm sure you'll all enjoy it.
How excited you are being a part of this concert with the diva, Miss Kulid Leslie?
I'm very excited. I'm very excited. Of course, a little bit nervous, but I don't think I'll be as nervous as the time I was at the Hacienda and she brought me up to sing a song and I had not even been awake for 10 minutes. Just walked out of bed. She's like, does anybody here have a male singer? And then I'm not even in my breakfast yet and I have to step up and sing Kenny Rogers. You know, but it's a core memory and I think I've loosened up a bit. So I'm super excited to perform with her this time on stage. Super excited.
It was your mother's fault.
Yeah, that's true. It's fun.
And then,
Actually, it's an honor to be singing with Miss Kulidesma. Of course, kasi parang ano na po namin to, around our 5th show together. 5th, around our 4th, 5th. So, yeah, it's an honor. And I still get the chills whenever I see Miss Kul. She's a blessing to all of us. And of course, to the Filipino citizens.
Miss,
So,
yeah. Kanina, Miss Kul, pinag-usapan namin bakit ang title is Kulidesma Sing Her ABC. Bali, kala namin yung mga song mo na nagsisimula sa letter A, a long time ago, Bulaklak, gano'n. Inisip namin ano yung C, di ba? Pero hindi namin ma-identify. Pero what do we expect po yung mga song, sabi nyo, yung mga cover song ng mga even international artists po ba? Or syempre may mga expect din na mga songs ninyo nakakantahin dito?
Yes, of course, my hits. We'll find a way to make it ABC.
Okay, thank you. Congratulations, everyone.
Thank you. As a singer, no?
Yes.
And even if you ask those who really understand what singing is all about and placement, also vocal tone. Kailangan yung tone kasi tama. I would really choose Whitney Houston. She's really, I don't know if anybody will really, come and a new singer would come and really can surpass. Kasi natural yung kanya. And I believe it's because as a young girl, she was already singing in church. So talagang na-hone yung talent niya. Of course, there's Barbara Streisand because of her, kay Barbara naman, of course, her tone is different, it's very unique. At the same time, when she belts, she's not shouting, but it is what the dynamics that is necessary for the song. So actually, a good singer does not necessarily belt, in a way na masakit sa tenga, yung gano'n. Dapat beautiful pa rin. And that's Barbara Streisand for you. Even for Whitney Houston, I don't choose the others because I'm not really into their songs. But, a few years back, I discovered a male singer who I love, and that's Seal, because of his arrangements, his songs, the content of his lyrics. So, I love Seal as well because hindi mapanggap yung kanyang way of singing. It's really uniquely his. Yeah. You mean our local
Yes,
singers?
local singers.
How long will it be here?
I'd like to do something with Casey Candinan, because when I was starting and even now, I see that she likes to put drama in her performance, and she's quite unique, very talented. I'd like to see what we can do together.
Hindi, pero hindi ka rin naman ako. Hindi ka rin naman. Impersonator lang. Pero talagang Koo, as in Koo, yung trademark na talaga na gano'n. What is with Koo Ledesma that they cannot get?
You have to ask them. I believe that everybody's got a unique touch, okay? Nobody can really be exactly you, no? Although Ariana Grande copies a lot of singers and wow, she can really mimic them. But then again, when you really listen to the original, hindi pa rin. You know what I mean? So, God created us uniquely and different from one another. Kasi regalo ng Diyos yun. So, mas maganda na hindi tayo namamopya.
Concert? Usually, may mga surprise, may mga ganyan.
Meron, pero hindi yung anything na parang may nagawa kong immoral na yung sasabihin. Meron akong pasabog kasi may got pregnant. Talaga nagpa-concert ako at sinabi ko, I'm pregnant, Siyempre, na front page yata ako. Well, hindi naman pasabog, but I'm bringing someone who is a surprise guest.
Thank you very much.
First of all, matagal ko na po nakakatrabaho si Ma'am Koo and Malo, siguro mga tatlong dekada na yata yun. Pero po ang hinahawakan ko po yung stage under Puerto. So ngayon, for several concerts of Ma'am Koo, nandun ako as art director. And then, syempre, I have naman, Federation, Didi Delana, Richard Alejandro Vina, marami mga iba-ibahan din. Pero syempre po, papangarapin mo si Miss Koo kasi po yung kanta po niya, favorite ko. Lalo na po yung, One More Try, di ba? Alam natin lahat yan. And anyway, para magkaroon po kayo ng masabi po issues na production, definitely dapat meron na po kayong Koo Ledesma. And a dream come true because pinayagan niya ako dahil hindi naman po ako ganun kalaki ang director. And at the same time, yung po kanyang, Katulad yung sinasabi ko every now and then pag may press con, every press con natin ito meron na hindi ako nahihirapan katrabaho ang mga professional kasi they have their own style, they have their own concept. Irerespeto mo lang yun at magdadagdag ka lang. Hindi siyempre, susundan mo kung ano yung gusto niya pero bibigyan mo rin siya ng input being the director. Yun nga po, pag-uusapan pa po namin. But I'm really sure with Nathan Randall, David Young, and Mayrota Musika Pilipinas, mag-e-enjoy po kayong lahat. Salamat po.